ngamoi du bau du ngamoi ase mi lam chet natte sa makong mari pan basani
koigi manipur tholi birang asigi manung sanna koigi sahi fadri bangang thani pan ge angang yauna mioi teruk yamna tamthina faraba matungda halakibagi thodok mari leinana koigi sathar khiba case wakat ki matungna home minister na pi khiba fawkhumda manipur gi irang laksin bade constitution gi matungina state ki subject ni manipur lengang irang laksin naba amasung ing tappa purukna bidamak haijarakhiba mateng sing union lengak ki maikai de ki piri jiri bamgi nupi angang teruk ki imungda state amasung union lengak na lupa lak manga compensation piragani haiba wafam tongan fauci sing phone ri hab tare pa hai pausi dei kamaina yengbe
jembu government has the mapam pini jangam thoi shoida yengani madudi samna hairiga masa haibe de phajadro ahlam na khoi pokpui ba akhoi ahlaman akhoi imai pa khoi ishorni moina pom da dinga se isi phamam moi moina pom da dunia se kene su uram khalai bu phabani imai pa mami thup khro tanjad akhoi ne mokhoi tamu ta hai lei kachadna mayam seba tawjadna akhoi sarat katna khotna mayam kotna khot mitte pita da mokhoi bikhani da koi ngakpiu haidna mohin noi popira mudinga se khoi lejiri kun kachar bisan pen bo bi han khram jari masi channa bi ngasi legidu bo miyo singchigi on mokhoi da awana ta bo pun masa sarkar ge daittan sarkar na A to Z yeng hai da samon to bum thoi hoi paper na phong ni se pai ko li tawi adu ba akhoni yeng to badi thokdo kam sigum ba thok ta ngai mamang da masidi genocide hai badum narcotic ke akhoi gi cartel sing mihat pa group mayam makoi mayam na makoi da afabal leite fatabal leite makoi sagai amakaktani mayam pulga loina amakaktani makoi amana haigu da loire angang pisak pi da ba chahi ama ani shu babu kathal laga barak valley da turenu hundok pa mama bu kam hare krishna ko de moibo ngamoi du bau du ngamoi ase mi lam chet natte sa makong mari pan basani adu makoi ne tawri punabase aina khangjaba line namada angang ne tamakpani meaning su khang banatti mayang maron na phu tamalle chimpa pole preventive is better than cure thain wam leirina na dinga da na da na ba ei ka ei hawanu se pati he namai khumjelo khochulu do karna nudang thoknu ko asinang iru jab khobdi sing san taw ko kadam section ba khocham ba haibe se phari aham ben incident suddenly horu pache taw grene me the pre plan why to blame the Manipur government hajik leiri ba sarkar da ngakta kadu tane do no what happened the 5 decades 6 decades 7 decades ke mamang the palama sarkar punumak na koi matam de kari tawramge na koi ne shoi bidi ngasi shoiri bangaktani loine na koi ne bhim na chair ga sakuni na phai na haibedo adu bhap ta lone biren ge makok ta ngato na mang de amang ma phai de sungya yaroi your government past government your government means our government akhoi ipa ipu singdu wakan ten ma makok yaudaba mi pungcha chara punglei lerga manipur dagi imphal dagi he daba wakan ta sum leijiba mamang digi way back like 40s 49 50 doi kari torke even a independent country or about third class seat we are third class people including me independent country amabu ngasi india the march tawre haidan ba c grade ta piramba eko ipa ipu sungdu marakta bureaucrats khar amani jaro me khar politician jaro me chief minister phammuna bada ani do kun da khongu palang janda to nang bodhichandra da to nang se to buya da waire to han lang jan bu tari ne akhoi me se phammuna ba modgi ko 1960 gi amuk lo akhoi leibe ja da bu lo ma sai khong san thang ka to sanoi shambiram ba modi mu 1970 to ana mu toramba 50 da mu to ana toramba adu mu to ana to ba chingi lo to gan ba meeting lo to gan ba bram ati sagai lo na to gan ba aswai tong pung mangal bisa koi ahal man puna mun na koi na mangal man natra who was ruling by that time congress phadabasuna koi gi phatrabasuna koi ta bani ngasi mamang ni tori punamak se aran punamak se why don't you quote some example what the wonderful blunder committed by the previous government Why you don't quote it? Present government is also your government. No, in a Palakpat that will be another government. That will be our government. Your government is our government. Biren government is also your government. Biren the Biren mana mulak thokita atene palbo, so that will be our government. Asi haibertadi mi asoi bengak takunung langano makoi ma'am changa manaraga tau only by statement na koi phamma kolga press conference. Who bothered you? Akoi ki CSOs mayam sa koi tawri pura mase Delhi na hannabo tabide hannasu yengde ngone pamba se khwaidi tamthiba group chin kuki joka sina ngasai fake narrative and the wrong narrative tawraga media punamak including the editor guild of India group ka se loina leihiba ngasiba so mainly media punamak 99% se akoi tamakta phongde karigina phongde because of our approach, maybe because of our behavior, maybe because we lack the lobby, maybe because that people said that lot of land then goes on, land then. I do not know how far it is true. Credibility of the media, we point finger on you. Nakoina phonga puna magase akona nohibu lai dono latpani ngasi main len media puna mona bapau akoi punglei dan akoi bu batham ka olan thamaga wrong narrative tabudung to in a phong na leri base akoi sarkar son bo opposition son ba manamda si puna magase kai haini opposition su masi share to bam thoi adrachi ki opposition should take a pivotal role na. Yes, I am happy. Dr. Bimal, he goes on fighting it. Good. Let him do it. First, Mr. Bimal, don't forget you are the Manipuri MP. Then you come the Indian. You know the behavior of the Indian Parliament. You know the behavior of the Indian government. They have alienated us. So, Mr. Alfred and Mr. Bimal, you will have to fight. You are first Manipur citizen. You are the MPs of Manipur. Let the government, Manipur government, you silence it. Don't bother it. But you go on wage war of words. In Parliament, you present it. Let the whole world know Manipur is masak sungang MP chitra mga ngangdan lakpa yauri. MP the minister would missing ngangdan high the party ngang jade. Then what for you were elected MP and you became a minister? You didn't utter a word and you didn't say it. I do not know what was behind the curtain. What did you do? We do not know. But Manipur is burning because all of you only. MP representative Matik Chadrabab Manipur Mai Chakigani MP Thagli Bahandi Matang Sede. We appreciate you. Who is Congress? I'm least bothered. But we know the representative whom we have casted, whom we have voted, whom the majority of people voted. You are doing exceedingly well. But the only thing is that akhoi gi presentation the kind aggressive way legum tauri. Maybe is that some of you are following like our Rahul Gandhi sahab tono taurira adudi katang khenna badi thambadi pai. Akhoi meti khodi or Manipuri khodi akutangkul khodi ate sagai de khodi katang ing tapakra dile. Yes, you wage a war, but not like such an aggressive way, not like the, making a tamasa. Not like the whole parliament that you made a bondage because you are our looking glass glass that you represent the entire Manipur 35 lakhs people. We respect you, we salute you. You go ahead, you two young gentlemen. I wish all the best and I have my due regards for you. Manipur Kallu, Manipur Tamuta Honabu, let the Chinkuki Jo, they are refrained away from, let them go away from Manipur. But please, go ahead. We are behind you. I will sit